Was it as intense, as tight, all that stuff? Last time you were saying at its worst, it got up to a 6. What did it get up to over the weekend?
Not bad. I was probably like a 2 or 3.
Nice.
So it like wasn't bad. It was almost more just like annoying.
Okay. We'll take annoying over painful.
Yeah.
All right, let's have you land down on your back. Yeah. More on that right side right there today. Mm-hmm. Yeah. One more. Good. That's ready. Yeah. Whoa. Get right. Good. Yep. On your stomach. In and out right there. Good. Yeah. Good. Great. Change. Yeah, there you go. Those guys were ready too. Yeah, I definitely saw some of that with that jaw on that right side, especially today. So, but everything's moving better and better. That's what we like to see. Coming right along.
Thank you.
Thank you.